Hey everybody, and welcome to another episode of SEO Bros, because we're bros before SEOs. I'm Ben, this is Yaron. What's up, Yaron?
What's up? How are you? It's been a
Guys, I'm
while.
telling you, Yaron went a little more professional than usual. Look at his new haircut. Wow, so slick. Like a wave. Very cool.
Like a wave.
Like a, yeah, I
It's
can't
just
do
the
that
way my
anymore.
hair
Look at this.
grows.
That's all I got
Yeah,
now.
you gotta grow it out a bit. It's super
Yeah,
short.
whatever. I have hair in other departments. But anyway, um, today we are roasting a very large website that may or may not use AI or programmatic SEO to create pages. So we're very excited to talk about programmatic, talk about different content strategies to find all their missing author pages and their misplaced headers, maybe.
Hmm.
So let's roll. This site is
Okay.
called DeepGram, and it is AI software
Share
for
my screen.
developers.
Share. There we go. Can you see it? Yeah, you can see it.
Yeah,
Let's see what we got here. Maybe it's important to remind everybody we haven't looked at anything. When we do these roasts, it's
that's
completely
true.
fresh. Um,
It's like a blind roast.
yeah, every roast is a blind roast.
We have no
So what are
preconceived
we looking at?
notions.
So what DeepGram, voice AI. What is it? Text to speech, speech to text APIs. DeepGram, power your apps with real-time speech to text and text to speech APIs powered by DeepGram's voice AI models. Low latency, high quality, and low cost that scales. Okay, so they offer it's like a B2B service for other apps to integrate their AI model,
They
right?
got their title, they got their description. Do they have their headers in
Title is a
place?
bit long. Um,
I guess
I
so.
would like I would remove the
Yeah, you don't need,
closing
yeah,
thing. We don't need that anymore. We have DeepGram also in the title itself.
it's true.
Um, but let's see. Let's look at what they've got here. Where are you taking me already?
Yeah, an
Okay.
announcement.
No, do not do that. The first button, the first item on your homepage takes you to an article. That's a big no-no. Okay, instead of try it for free
Unconventional.
pricing. Yeah, I mean, I can't even see like where the link is taking me. I can't click it like with open a new tab. It's a very interesting link. Very interesting behavior. It doesn't register as a link.
Oh, yeah? Hmm. Okay.
Like, I
Interesting.
mean, you don't see the URL slug at the bottom, right? When you go here, look at top bottom left, you can see
Right, right,
playground.deepgram.com. Here you don't see it. And I can't like open it with a new tab with the middle button. So
right.
it's not behaving like a regular link, which is interesting.
If they know that this page converts the most, then I'd say keep it. Otherwise, I don't know why
I
they
don't
have
know
it.
how can it convert more than view pricing
That's true.
and try it out. Like I don't know.
Okay.
Interesting choice there. Going with the trusted by these companies thing is good. Try DeepGram APM. So they have the try it here. Let's see. Try text.
Super great.
Hello world.
Can't hear it.
Can you hear that?
No?
I don't know. Maybe I can update my. Can I share my sound? Let me see.
Maybe we should
Audio.
do our next episode just with this, with the voice of Asteria or Luna. Not
I
Zeus, because
wonder.
that's
I don't know how to do it, but
okay. That sounds
it
good.
sounds okay. Sounds
Hello
good.
world. Okay,
That's actually what Zeus sounds like.
there you go. Borovsky
Hello
Kivalki, as
world.
they say.
Voice AI foundations, unlock voices. So voice agent API. So they have a product page. Isn't that like products? Voice agent API, text to speech API, speech to text, audio intelligence API. Okay, so they have like four use cases, I guess.
Yeah,
And then they have no use cases. I see
actual
they're
use
putting it
cases.
like as this, but
Super
four
cool.
products, features maybe is a better way to do it.
Let's
There's a
look at their blog.
blog.
Their thumbnails look so good. Their cover images.
Very slow to load, I gotta say.
But look at how slick that is. Look at those images.
Hold on.
What are you doing?
Like trying to understand how long it's
Were you
taking it
timing
for it to
yourself?
load. I'm doing it with the inspect element. But yeah, I mean, it's AI generated, that's for sure.
Yeah.
What exactly is an AI voice agent? Depth, in-depth guide, article. So where is this taking me? To their
To the
blog.
homepage.
Okay. Why is it
Uh,
called article and not blog in the slug?
it's a good point. I'm seeing
That's
that a lot with
strange.
people that have different formats. They have like podcasts, articles, different things.
They should update this to X already at this point.
Yeah.
But all of them are working. Hold on, I closed hrefs. There
Where's
we
their
go.
author page, man?
Well,
The
who's the
author.
author? That's the question.
Oh,
Stephen Oladell. Oladell?
hola delle.
TLDR segment. So no opening paragraph, straight to the TLDR.
Well, it's developers. Maybe they just want the TLDR.
Yeah, but you gotta use an opening paragraph. So published
Oh yeah.
January 13th, updated, good. Table of content, sticky one. I like
Nice
it.
emojis.
This is not good though.
What?
Look at this model-based reflex agents reasoning with environmental models. Once I click it, it goes bold and then it jumps a line. That's not good behavior.
What do you mean jumps the line?
Look at this one where my mouse is. Yeah.
Yeah,
Now it's two lines.
yeah.
Once I click it, goes down to a third line.
Weird. Only
That's
you
not
would
good
notice that too.
behavior. It's not good behavior. Google doesn't like it. And there's hidden stuff. Oh my God.
Uh-oh.
There's a scrolling in the,
There's
how
a
big
hidden
is this
scroll.
article?
Like what?
6,200 words? Oh my God. That's a long article.
But you wouldn't normally put FAQs in the table of contents, so that doesn't make sense.
You would put the FAQs, but not the questions. I mean, I'm assuming
Does it rank?
it's I don't know. We'll find out in a second. Content, let's see. H2s to H3s. Where's the H1? Hold on. I gotta scroll up quickly. That's the H1. So a good suggestion here would be not to have such a big hero image that takes up the entire above the fold, right?
That's true.
You want to start reading the content, some dead space here. Why is there so much space between the beginning?
Where's the author image,
And
the author page? We
yeah,
want to know who you are. Google wants to
um,
know who you are. Forget me.
so these are H2s, H3s, and these are H4s, I guess.
Yeah,
Like, why are we going? What is an AI agent? Okay, that's an H2. Types of AI agents. How do they think and act?
I would make all this H2s.
Simple reflex. I mean, it's following a good order, right? Because it's what is an AI agent, then the types, and then they're listing out the types. So this it makes logical sense. It's okay.
Okay.
I'm fine with it.
All right.
Um, and then we have large language models as reasoning engines. Very long headers though. Look at this.
Yeah.
I mean, it looks like they're doing it properly. The technical edge. I want to see these. This is not a good header. This shouldn't be header, I think. This one and how it works, these shouldn't be headers.
Yeah.
Technical highlights.
This is a serious article.
Yeah, lots of videos as well by
This is good stuff.
who's is it whom you AI, so it's not even them.
Yeah. So
CNN. Okay.
let's put it into Ahrefs and see if it ranks anything.
Mm, mm, mm. Nope.
But you gotta take out the end of it, I think, after the hashtag.
I don't have a hashtag inside. DeepGram.com, learn what is it got. There's no
Right
hashtag.
there. You have a hashtag in the link because you clicked on the
Ah.
menu item.
Oh yeah. Okay. Technical highlights. There you go. Still a nope.
Ooh.
So
Really?
what is their website? I want to. Oh, okay. So they've been decreasing during the year. So a bump here.
Yeah.
This has to be programmatic. So that's organic traffic. Let's look at pages. Organic pages. Yeah, there we go. That's a programmatic approach.
Yeah.
There's no way they went from 500, 600 pages to 3,000 pages in three
Without
months
AI. Yeah.
without AI. Yeah. It looks like they're doing another push here, but Google's not liking it.
Interesting. Wonder why. What if you take out the word DeepGram or anything with like branded? Oh, there you go. It's a directory. Most of their pages are
Mhm.
just apps.
So these could be that's probably the programmatic approach they want. AI apps catalog. That's the programmatic. They probably made some sort of page on each AI app.
And it's not thin content, like it's comprehensive, I think.
Yeah, but they're probably generating it with AI as well.
Yeah, for sure.
Let's see if it's the same structure. I'm gonna drag it to the other monitor. Sorry, folks. Just want to verify that it's the same structure. No.
Yeah, it's totally different. Maybe we could check on
Interesting.
Ahrefs the pages that lost the most traffic.
Let's see. So let's do compare with previous year. Or let's do not do because when did they spike? They spiked in March. So we're looking for no March 2024.
Yeah.
They made overhauls also in the content.
To try to save it, maybe.
When was this done? Let's see. So
They've been overhauling it every month.
interesting. Minor changes. They've been updating it very frequently.
It's interesting.
Now this page doesn't exist anymore. Just gotta
Mm,
redirect.
I wonder why. Maybe none of these
Same.
pages.
No, this one is still here, but it's empty, so this needs to be redirected.
What if, so I get it, like these directories lost a bunch of traffic. What if we filter all the directory pages out?
You want to see what
Is there
remains.
any value without that?
Let's see. It doesn't contain AI apps. Mhm. We're down to 12K traffic, 13K. I mean, at the high point, they had 25K.
So 10% of their, less than 10% of their traffic.
Yes.
And then take out the word deepgram.
You want to see only non-brand stuff.
Yeah.
10K traffic
Wow. Okay.
out
But
of how
that
much again?
these 300K or something?
Out of 86K at the moment. So
Yeah.
an eighth of their traffic is non-brand, non-directory traffic. And their blog is not doing very well. I mean, if we take a look, it's all under learn, right?
Yeah, I think so. Some of it's
Their
with a
blog is
glossary.
2K for 2K traffic from 400 pages. It's not performing very well.
But some of
Um,
it's under glossary also.
Under glossary as well, like this.
Mm, I'm not sure.
Let's try. Let's see. Let's try. Nope. It's any value. No, not under glossary like this.
Just put
Let's
glossary without
remove
the.
this.
Yeah.
Not and or 3K
Okay.
traffic. So
All right. So the directory
so
thing didn't work out. I don't know how
I
much
mean the
conversion.
directory thing is the only thing bringing in traffic, really. I mean,
Yeah.
what if we do AI um apps? There we go. I'm not used to my keyboard.
Well, Portuguese keyboard, huh? Giving you trouble.
It's the same. It's a laptop keyboard. I mean, this is still a lot of traffic, right? At the peak, this is 70 like 80, 90% of their traffic is this still this, the directory. But
It
I
doesn't
feel
bring them
like
any
we've
value.
covered, yeah, I think we covered something like this earlier. Or
Yeah, we
not
did.
earlier, but in a previous episode. When somebody's looking for deep AI, obvious clip, gamma AI, I don't think they're looking for DeepGram,
Right.
right? I mean, what's ranking for deep AI, which is similar to them? Deep AI. I mean,
AI.
this is as far as you go. You don't go to lazyprogrammer.me to DeepGram to CoinMarketCap. I think you stay here. I mean, you're really looking for a specific brand.
What if you
I mean,
put
what
deep
you
AI
could do is
reviews?
But if you do reviews, what if you do, I mean, alternatives? I mean, let's see what comes up. Deep AI, what? Only the main people are looking for the brand. They're not looking even for alternatives.
Yeah.
See what I mean? I mean, it
So
could
it
be
doesn't
ranking in
bring
the
you
top
business
10.
value.
Um,
Move my glasses too.
I don't know. It should bring you value, but what kind of value is it bringing you? I mean, it's you're ranking on a keyword that people who use deep AI might also use your services. Yeah. But I don't think you're getting any clicks from it. Because if I'm looking for deep AI, let's say
Right.
I'm typing chat GPT, like I just put deep AI here. I'm not going any further, right? I got deep AI here. I got site links. I got images. I got a YouTube video, deep AI reviews, info. I mean, I'm not going any further down because I'm looking, maybe from is deep AI free? That's a different question.
Yeah. But that's an alternatives page. That's not a directory.
Yeah.
But there they are right there. So what would you do? Would you scratch the directory and just focus on the blog itself?
I mean, I feel like what's happening is a similar case where you see it across many programmatic SEO approaches where people are like, okay, we found a way to bring in a lot of traffic, but they're not looking if that traffic is any value,
Yeah.
right? When you're thinking of a programmatic approach, you need to make sure that what you're offering is relevant to the people searching for that query. And it should never be brands. Like you should never use brands as a programmatic approach. And your offering should be relevant to the people that are searching for the query pattern, right? It's all about pattern, right? Is it safe to X? Is it safe to is let's say is eating an apple healthy? Is eating a pineapple is healthy? Is
Right.
eating sausages healthy? All of these are the same patterns that are being repeated. And you got to make sure that what you're offering, I mean, you can do the programmatic approach and you'll get the traffic. But if your product is not relevant to the searcher, then what are you doing?
Right.
Yeah, you're bringing in traffic. And I love traffic as much as as the next SEO guy, right? Who doesn't love
Love it.
traffic? But if the traffic is not converting, then what's the point of it? At the end of the day, it's all about ROI. I mean, it's all about
That's true.
investing a bunch of resources into something and getting. I mean, we're in marketing. Yeah. And sometimes it feels like people
Right.
forget that SEO is marketing, right?
Who forgets that?
I don't know. I mean, the direction people take with programmatic SEOs and these projects are not cheap. Yeah, it's not cheap and it's not easy to
Yeah.
start to build something like this.
So
It
what
takes
would
a
you
few
do?
months, a lot of
Would you
money.
still focus on programmatic with them?
I wouldn't focus with a directory, no, because again, if I'm looking
Right.
for deep AI, I found my result,
That's a nice
right?
dolphin.
Yeah, it's following your mouse, I think.
Very 90s. I like it. Whee! Okay.
It
So is there
speeds
another
up.
approach to programmatic that you do here?
I mean,
I don't know. Alternatives,
I don't know.
comparison
It
pages.
depends. But you need to research a pattern. You need to brainstorm patterns, ideas that make sense, and then you need to verify them with uh, with data, right? So DeepGram, what are they doing? They're doing text to voice, voice to text, real-time AI agents. So we're looking for a B2B pattern that is relevant to for their use cases. That's something that B2B companies would look for. So first of all, B2B SEO is usually low volume, high conversion, high impact, like bottom of the funnel
Yep.
topics. So going for deep AI, I mean, I could be looking for deep AI, but I don't need DeepGram. Already not a good direction. So you're not really reaching your target audience.
I
You're
would look
doing
at,
brand performance. You're doing brand performance where now people know
yeah.
about DeepGram because they're seeing them maybe a bit more often, but that's about it.
What I would do is I would take a look at all the different documents that their audience wants to transcribe or transform into audio, and then create these
Hmm.
pages. Maybe not how to, but maybe transcribe X to audio. And then just, I don't know if transcribe is the right word even, but there's probably so many use cases, different types of specs and docs, and I don't know,
What if we do include to transcribe to
transcribe right into text. But a lot of these high twos are going to show up in AI overviews anyway, and ChatGPT.
hmm. I mean, you got to look into it. You got to search for the
Yeah,
correct pattern. It's not something that we can do here in 5 minutes. It takes time. You got to understand who their core target audience is in order for you to be able to target them, right? It's not as
yeah,
simple as just looking for it on Ahrefs. You got
yeah,
to understand what their target audience is searching for. And then you need to start thinking of possible patterns, right? Usually the way it works for us, we've done a couple of SEO of programmatic approaches and projects. The way it usually works for us is when I do the market research or when I do the keyword research, I stumble upon the patterns. Or unless we know there's a pretty clear, easy to understand pattern that is very clear, right? Some companies, for some companies, it's much easier to find. For a B2B company, I mean, you got to look into it.
yeah.
It's a tough question, but
But
I don't
I would
think
also focus on their
this is the
blog.
way forward. I mean, I don't know the data. I don't have the data, right? But I don't think you're going to really rank position one for most of this. You're going to be at the end of the first page. So yeah, you're ranking position 8, but how much traffic are you actually getting from it? Like, I don't think they're getting 4,000 clicks from this keyword.
Yeah,
I don't think that's true. I
yeah,
mean, also look at this. So this is half the volume, the search volume, and they're getting almost the same amount of clicks. No, can't be. No way. Same with this one. Even a third, almost the same clicks. No, you're not getting that many clicks. Your click through rate isn't that high. There's no way. Not on a brand keyword. Um, what should they do? They should understand who their core audience is. I feel like that's a big one that's missing, and try and see how they can reach them.
yeah.
How would you reach your core audience? Is it by writing about other AI companies? Maybe, but then I wouldn't do like a brand page.
True. And I'd go back and optimize existing blog posts, the ones that you pick out as the ones that are relevant for your audience, and optimize them. See what needs to be added there. Add some faces, add some.
Is this ranking for anything like the actual directory? Is it getting
Yeah.
anything? No, no, that's the path exact URL. No. So the
Well, it
directory,
wouldn't.
the I mean, what are they doing? They have a directory, right? Right? What they're trying to do is they're trying to allow you to search for AI apps. But
Bro,
nobody's
they
nobody's
got
coming to their
Rabbi
directory.
AI.
Rabbi AI.
Dude, who needs a rabbi? You can get
An
a Rabbi
AI
AI.
part guiding your journey through the Hebrew Bible. Okay.
Okay. You got me. I got to use DeepGram now that they have Rabbi AI. Oh, wait.
I mean, now you can even listen to the rabbi,
That's right.
right? Because it's text to speech.
And make him sound like Zeus. Perfect. Zeus Rabbi. Yeah, Rabbi Cohen, I'm
I
sorry, but
think
I'm talking to Rabbi Zeus tonight.
I mean, to sum it up, the website looks good. It feels a bit slow. I don't know if it's only on my end or not. Um, don't like that there's no opening paragraph. You don't go straight into the TLDR, the key takeaways.
There's no author
I like the
page.
fact that you can try. You can try the feature on the spot.
Yeah,
But I feel like, I don't know. I haven't looked at the blog, but the blog is not really generating any traffic to know. But I feel like they're not, like most of the traffic is not reaching their target audience.
man,
That's what I
I
feel.
agree.
I could be
What
wrong. I could be wrong.
what
Maybe
score
they
would you
have the
give him?
data to show otherwise, but what score would I give them? Mm, I feel like what they're doing in terms of SEO, they're doing well, right? On page, structure looks proper. They're doing the right things. I don't know what they're missing. I don't know if strategy is the issue. In terms of programmatic SEO, it is. So I don't know, a B,
Pretty
B
nice.
minus. Yeah, the on page is on point. I mean, they got on page properly. I don't know in terms
Yeah,
of tech because we haven't managed there, but look, their articles look good. There's videos incorporated. There's pictures. They're a bit long. I don't like the scrolling here either. Like if you need to
yeah,
scroll on the table of content, that's too much. I mean,
but
maybe
make it
close just
visible.
maybe just also make it visible that people can see that there is more to scroll through, but maybe remove the
Yeah,
H3s. So only keep H2s in the
yeah,
in the table of content. So you don't need to scroll that far down.
for
Then
sure.
you can see everything at a glance.
I'd give him a C. I think they need to focus on the business value and create more pages that will bring them conversions and not fluffy traffic.
Mm-hmm.
And
Mm-hmm.
they got no, they need some authors, they need some faces. I don't know, maybe it's the marketer in me. I'm not a developer, but maybe developers are cool with this type of stuff. But I want to know who is behind this.
It doesn't matter. Google wants to know who's behind
Yeah,
this.
Google. Oh, there's a face.
There's a face,
Yeah,
but there's no author page.
I love these images. It's great stuff. But yeah, that's a wrap. So to wrap up, programmatic SEO is not dead, but needs to be used in the right way. And it's definitely getting harder to use it nowadays, I think, than it
Mm-hmm.
was a few years back.
Yeah, also look, I mean, their approach is very specific. They're going for brand words, brand names. So how much traffic can they be really generating from that, and how valuable is the traffic that they're generating?
Yeah. Good insights there, Yaron. Great job, man. And DeepGram,
You've been roasted. Hope that you enjoyed some of our tips. And yalla, till next week. Peace.